Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel. Today we're going to make spicy chimichangas. Now I have a can of refried beans. Now, this is the refried beans here. So I have added this one to a pan. Now I have added little bit of asafoetida and roasted cumin seed. Now I have this refried beans to it. This one I'm going to add chopped red onions, and I'm going to add some jalapeno pepper chop, and I'm going to add some other spices. This is pretty salty. You do not need any salt, but if you want to make it spicy, you can add some cumin seed. You can add little bit of garlic powder or the onion flakes, some things like that, but do not add any more salt because it has plenty of salt. Now I'm going to make it spicy, then I'm going to roll it in tortillas and show you the next part. So let me add on the spices to this. So this one I have added turmeric powder, garam masala powder, vegetable masala powder, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin powder, and I'm going to add some chopped jalapeno. You can add some chopped little bits of onion as well if you like, and cilantro. Anything that you want to add it to make it spicy filling. Now that one I'm going to fill inside the tortillas and just slightly fried, not deep fried. So this is what my spiced up refried bean looks like. Now I have added all the spices to it. Now I'm going to roll it in the tortillas and just shallow fry it with little bit of oil. So as you can see, I put the stuffing inside the tortillas and I'm shallow frying them in very little oil, about 2 tablespoons oil. So I'll do one at a time. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.